Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today I am sharing with you my master bedroom mini makeover slash decorate with me and like a bedroom refresh, whatever you want to call it. It has been forever, I believe about 6 maybe 7 years since I've actually did this bedroom. It was a bit of a, well, it was a bit gross to begin with. So yes, it has been, renovated, but I did need to purchase one big ticket item. So I thought it was a perfect excuse to give it a little bit of a mini makeover today and share it with you. So I hope you guys enjoy. And of course, if you do, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bells if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos. And let's just jump straight into this. So I am a bit of a fussy shopper, and one of the things that I have really desperately needed was a new bed. If you hear the sound of my bed, you will understand why I need a new bed. I know it's not the screws in the bed. Unfortunately, it's just old and it's had its day. They are tightened as far as they can go and it's still making that noise. So it was time to look for a new bed, and I have the most expensive taste. Most of the beds that I liked were around the $3,000 mark. So it was pretty hard for me to shop for a bed. So in the end, I did end up picking one up for around the $2,000 mark, and it was floor stock clearance. So it was like a $3,000 bed that I got, much less. So I was pretty happy with that. And like, I am happy to spend more money on something that I'm going to have for years and years. But yeah, it is a lot of money to spend. So yeah, the other thing I wanted to do is shop for some accessories as well, just to go with the bed. So I was just basically having a little look around about what is around at the moment and just getting a feel for what I want in my bedroom. One of the requirements that I did want to do was a high headboard, because I did just buy a pillow top mattress last year and I felt like it was getting lost. So I definitely wanted a higher headboard. Start off with this makeover, I just wanted to give my bed sheets a quick wash, and this is just how I wash them. I thought I'd share it with you. I basically just put some washing powder in the bath or some sort of soak, and then I add in my secret ingredient, which is this denture tablets. Believe it or not, I did see it on TikTok and I thought I'd give it a go, and I can tell you right now, it works an absolute charm. My sheets are always so white. I don't know what's in it, but obviously it's something good that it works. So anyway, that's how I do it. And then after I do that, I sort of just rinse it out to get all the water out, and then I put it into the washing machine under the normal rinse or wash cycle according to the bed sheet. So it's the same thing when you're putting in the bath. Make sure that you're just following the tag of, the temperature of what you're supposed to be having, and that's pretty much it. I also do add some white vinegar to the washing machine, just in the fabric soap softener dispenser bit, so then it ends up being nice and super soft, and no, you can't smell the smell on your sheets. So today I am using this Dulux in the Vivid White, and this is like a semi-gloss, so it's going to be really easy for me to clean the doors and stuff like that, because obviously it's a high traffic area and I have little fingers in my house, so I definitely need something that is going to withstand the wear. And as you can see, the top of the painting is looking a little bit worse for wear, because it has been well loved. So I need to really use this paint up. So you're going to see me using this paint everywhere, and there'll be a lot of stuff I'm not going to be doing on YouTube. I might share it on Instagram of other areas, because you'll just get sick of me painting. So anyway, let's get stuck into this painting. Now that the painting is all done, it is time to get stuck into all the cleaning that needs to be done before the bed comes. So as you can see, it is very dirty and dusty and disgusting. So I'm going to give it a quick vacuum, and then I'm just going to wipe down all the skirting and clean up all the walls behind and underneath the bed. Seriously, look at how disgusting that is. Like, you don't think about it, and like moving your mattress a bit and taking all that dust out, but oh my gosh, look at it. Oh, that is sick. Oh, I can't believe we've been sleeping on this. This bedroom is so incredibly small. It is actually 2.3 by 3.2, so there is not a lot of room to move in here, so I'm going to really take advantage of it and clean behind the other dresser as well while I'm in here, and while I can actually pull the thing out. This is my comfy little retreat for the night. Finally finished cleaning behind here and find all the bedside tables. It's so good, and skirting's done and it feels amazing. Okay, this is how we're looking. You weren't expecting that. You're probably expecting a fully made bed. I don't love the pink with it. I think it's just way too bright and out there. Even the grey sheet, I think it's just too dark. I want to really lighten it up. I don't know whether I'm going to keep both of these cushions on the bed or not, so I'm going to have to go shopping and get a few things. I'm definitely going to keep the white doona for the bed and go from there. Okay, so I'm back from the shops. I thought I'd do a quick little haul of what I've bought. I haven't got everything. I've just bought literally a couple of pieces because I want to try it on the bed and then see if I need anything else. I don't want to go around wasting my money on crap that I really just don't need. So this is the first one that I bought. To be honest, I've been eyeing this set off, but because I already have two white sets, I didn't actually buy the doona cover, but I thought I'd buy the Euro. So this one here costed me $16. It was on sale, so that's pretty cool. And then I also bought this cushion here, which is from Provincial Living. So it's got a nice fringing at the top, which matches the doona that I've got as well. I did want the matching throw, but the matching throw was nearly $300. So this one here is, I'm pretty sure it's a feather pillow, and this one here was $69, I think. And like this cushion here that I've literally had this for maybe 7 years, so you know, I don't go through and change my cushions all the time, so I don't mind about spending that little bit of extra money. The last thing I picked up were these ultra soft jersey cotton pillowcases, and these were from Adairs. I really did want to get like a softer pink to what was on here, but they didn't have it, so I ended up getting this. But I will be having to change out my pillowcases out a lot more often for how I'm going to do the bed today, so it won't hurt to have heaps of extra different ones that I can, you know, dress up my bed with. Now that the door is painted, I'm actually just going to screw some holes into the door because I'm going to actually install some wall hooks, and then I'll be able to put the screws in and then install the hooks. And these are the lovely wall hooks that I did end up choosing. These are from Provincial Living. I do believe they're around $6.95, and we're actually going to be using liquid nails as well. Because the door is actually hollow, if you're putting a screw into the door, it's going to stay on the door, but with the weight and everything, it will eventually actually fall off. Well, you really want to put the liquid nails in to hold it in place, but the screw is just basically holding it in place while the liquid nails is drying, and it just gives it, I suppose, that bit more sturdiness. And now I'm up to the fun part of the room, which is dressing up the bed. I feel like this is definitely the focal point and the point that, you know, makes me really excited. And you can also see the whiteness of the doona cover from our clean that we just did. Okay, so this is what I wanted to point out. I originally bought just one pillow insert and it looked like this, so I'm going to put it in the bed for you and you can see the difference. So the one on the left here has got 2 inserts and the one on the right has got 1, and it always just looks so messy, and I thought, you know, it just feels like it needs more. Like you can just see all that room in it, and it always looks so dodgy. So I ended up buying a second insert for this one here, which is exactly the same insert, and so this one's got 2 inserts in it. So I just thought I might like to show you a little interior design trick that I come up with that's definitely going to, well, it has definitely changed the look of the cushions, and you know how plush and nice it's going to look on the bed. And this is the difference with the 2 feather inserts together, and you can just see how much nicer and plumper that they look. And this is the end result, and it's so beautiful. I'm so happy with how it's turned out. And yes, it might look like a lot of cushions, but it's actually the same amount as what I had on the bed. They're just very plump. So I'm loving it, and I will definitely be swapping out these little pillowcases as well, and I think it will just change those bits of pops of colour, just always having them on the rotation. So it's pretty cool. I've still got the lamp on this side and the tissue box, and it's just basically for practical reasons. I haven't updated any of that. And then over on this side, now it does have an Easter print in there because I haven't had the time to get another print, but I would like to get another picture of Talia and I in there. And then I just put in my Monstera. Anyway, no, it's not a Monstera, it's cheese plant, Swiss cheese plant of some sort, yes. So I also put that on there. I do have 2 windows which are over here, and you can see I'm actually fighting daylight right now. And up here are the lovely wall hooks that I got from Provincial Living, and unfortunately they're not fully straight. Like one is literally half a mil out and it does my head in, but I think with stuff on it I'm not going to notice it as much anyway. And yeah, I'm actually really happy with how this room turned out. And yeah, just a few subtle little changes. Obviously a new bed, but I desperately needed that. And that's pretty much it. Over this side of the room, it hasn't changed at all, and I haven't really changed anything up here. If you love something and you bought it and you know you love it, even if it's not on trend, you're still going to love it for years to come. So that's definitely why I don't rush into buying things, and it can be very painful to shop with me. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and of course if you have, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notification bells so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you do want to see more from me, I do have a Instagram page and a Facebook page where you can catch me on throughout the week. And I will catch up with you guys next week for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.